Hi, I'm Hannah Pryce and I'm the Offer Marketing Manager for our Acti9 product range. Today, we're going to look at our new plug-on surge protection device, which is an all-in-one device that fits directly into our Acti9 board within the fishbone structure. The great thing about this product is that it has an integrated fuse, so it doesn't require an external upstream protective device. One point to consider when fitting your new Type 2 and 3 SPD is to check it coordinates with any upstream surge protection device. This ensures that surge protection devices work together effectively to safely manage and dissipate electrical surges, protecting your equipment and maintaining system reliability. On our range page, you'll find our coordination schedule with the relevant Type 1 and 2 Schneider electric devices. This way, you can guarantee coordination between all of your devices. So looking at the device itself, you can see that it has a plug-on neutral feature, allowing it to plug directly onto the board into the neutral bar. The earth connections allow the cabling to be done, and it also has a cartridge that can be replaced at end of life. With this product, we have a signal output that can be used to connect up to a BMS system. This will signal when end of life. So let's see how easy it is to fit into our Acti9 distribution board. On all boards, the SPD should be fitted as close to the incomer as possible. In this board, you can see we have left a space for it on the right-hand side of the stack. First, we need to pull back the locking clip to allow ease of fitting. Next, the SPD is fitted just like our plug-on neutral RCBO. Fit it at an angle straight on to the neutral terminal bar. Then, push down on the outgoing side of the device onto the fishbone assembly. Once it's in place, push the locking clip back into place to secure the device. Now the SPD is in place, we need to cable in the earth. For the earth, the cable needs to be as short as possible, and for this install, we have already fitted an earthing bolt in the board for this. All of our Acti9 distribution boards come with these, and it's perfect when fitting your SPD. The cables I'm using in this install have already been terminated at each end, one side with a lug and one with a ring connection to go on the earthing lug. The specifications of the cables can be found on the instruction sheets for the SPDs. And there we have it, how to fit our new plug-on all-in-one SPD. For more information, please visit se.com.